Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will learn to solve a linear equation 10x is equal to 20. For more update, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Look that this is our given equation. Now we have to find the value of x. To do so, see that the coefficient of x is 10 here. That's why we will divide the both sides by 10. Doing so, we get 10x by 10 is equal to 20 by 10. Now in the left hand side we have 10 and 10. So that gets cancelled and we are left with x. And in the right hand side we have 20 by 10 which is 2. So finally we get x is equal to 2 as our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.